Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and look at this little Bobby Dazzler I've got. It's a Tiger 800. Absolute stonker of a bike, and this is an XRX. 2019 plate on a 19. 2,913 miles. These 19 plates, big upgrade to the older ones. You got your TFT display. This one's got Triumph Air metal luggage on there as well. Cracking bikes. Give it a turn on. They come with cruise control, adjustable bits and bobs, and we'll have a look at the display in a second to show you what can be adjusted. Finished off in the metallic blue. Really is a nice bike, is this. Cracking. Right, anyhow, there's the display. See if we can zoom in or do something on there. So you can go through your little information there, your coolant. You can change the style. Ooh, I fancy a bit of that. Ooshk. Oh, we'll change it to this. That's pretty decent. You can definitely see the miles per hour there. Cruise control, things like that on there. Or you can go into your adjustment. You can change the different rider modes that this comes with. Your bike setup, trip service, display setup. Basically, a lot of stuff you can change on these. Cracking bikes. Big technology upgrade, like I said. Stick it back on there. And we're going to give it a little start up in a second. Wow. Absolute cool little bike is this. Cracking, super light, still do the adventures to Bradford and back. Cracking. Anyway guys, you've seen this little bad boy. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.